Well, here's a neat little critter that we have on the farm. Flying grasshopper. I've seen him fly here, but look how well he blends in. Oh, buried himself. There he goes. Flying grasshopper. I was just walking along the road and seen him fly off. Butterflies are up there flying around. Let's walk up there. Here's a deer trail. They're coming here and they eat all this flowers and whatever. Oh, there goes the moth. Oh, there it goes. There's a butterfly. He just flew by checking us out. All kinds of neat stuff we see. It's the fence row. We're going to clean it up. You can see the wire all hanging down. Deer have been going through it, but they didn't break them off, so they're pretty sturdy. Just love the purple siren weed. Just good for the butterflies and the yellow canaries. We'll start seeing them when this all turns brown. Lamalo. Looks like there's a morning glory or something. See if there's anything inside of them. Getting nectar. I don't see anything. Oh, there's a bug in that one. Some kind of bug. I don't know what kind of bug that is. Let's see. Just a little speck is all it is. Yeah, people riding side by side, back in the back. They're muddy. Let's hit a mud hole. Yep, pretty interesting. Some kind of critter in there. It's a pretty flower. There's ironweed here. The purple is just really stunning. And I see some black eye Susies over there. I was hoping to get close to some butterflies, but they're just all over. Butterflies just keep flying by. It's a memory stone for my nephew Christopher T. Moone. Family made that for him. Like I said, Mom's headstone's down over the hill, but we'll probably bring it and set it up here. That's what Dad's final wishes was. So, on this big old pine tree, it's where we bury our animals. Rags is buried here. My sister's dogs. My dog, he passed away just a few months ago. Old age. German Shepherds. They don't live forever, but my God, it was the best dog I ever had. Didn't have no coyote problems. Sweet peas. Butterflies like them. Especially the skippers. I'll have to film some of them. The ironweed, that purple is just something else. This is the power line. And as you can see, the fence continues on around. This is the path so we can mow and get around, check the fence. We planned ahead, so it won't take much to get things going. You can kind of tell we kind of mowed alongside of it once. We'll do it again here shortly. It looks like we got a T-post that needs straightened out. Two few trees we have, plum, an apple tree, an oak tree, a cedar tree, red cedar. It really smells good when you cut the branches. So sometimes I'll cut some branches off and having them by my fireplace drying out. And then cut the brush. Smells good. But we have a pine beetle, so these will live until the pine beetle gets in them. It thins them out. We have a lot more pines. Oh, I see some butterflies on what they call butterfly milkweed. This is a good plant to plant. I did see some monarchs today. That's some kind of swallowtail. I'd have to look them up. A lot of wildlife. I just know the families of what species they're in. So they're really pretty. This purple coneflower are in the background. We have a lot of flowers planted in this. Purples, yellows, wild carrots, black eye Susies. That's the yellow flowers. Oh, these really. I just love those flowers. We'll walk over here and see if there's any monarch caterpillars in this milkweed. This is our bank. We plant flowers every year. We got flowers everywhere. And ferns and just stuff that grows. But things seem to grow the best when more sunlight hits it. See how much I bother him. I did see one down at the pond. That's where I'm headed now. Getting ready to have a little cookout with our neighbors. It should be a lot of fun. Got the lawn chairs out and the fishing poles. And the fire ring. We're going to set it all up. It's just a beautiful day. Hope everyone's enjoying it. Oh, there you go. He said that was enough. Oh, here comes a yellow one. That's a tiger swallow. I'll have to get the names of all of them. There's the pine tree starting. Got old hay rake up there. This is a nice yard ornament, but I'll zoom out a little bit. We'll have to get in here and get the old multiflora rose cut out. And that thing to catch you, buddy. It's got thorns on it, big thorns. And those are big black thorns there. They have a pretty flower, but darn. Cattle, nothing. I see why they planted it. See if there's a bird nest in it. A lot of times there's a bird nest in these things. Yep, right there. There's one, old bird nest. That's the good thing about multiflora rose. Everything has a purpose, but boy, it sure grab you. I gotta hold my shirt now. Yeah, old hay rake. I have to pull it out and have to take a look at it. I see some of the teeth are setting on the ground.